our bed as the wrestling mat with Bella and Molly. This is why we can never have any really nice bedding. I'm sorry, it's actually Bella and Molly on their bed, and we happen to sleep there sometimes at night with them. I think Bella's going to roll off the bed. Are you guys done? Are you finished wrestling? Huh? Hey, pretty girls. Is it bedtime? Say goodnight. Say, row, row, row. Row, row, row. Say, row, row, row. Bella. Row, row, row. Row, row, row. That's as close as she comes to saying I love you. It's a bunch of talk. This is their mouth wrestling. Their mouth wrestling. All right, Molly, that's enough. Molly, leave it. Yeah, our obedience works really well, doesn't it? Hey. Say hi, Bella. Hi, Bella. Say hi, Molly. You little crazy girl. What do you got? What'd you find, Molly? All right, say goodnight. Good night.